Welcome to Auto Trader Japan. There are thousands of vehicles available at auction every week. New auction cars are uploaded on a daily basis. We can source any type of car. The latest Japanese and European models. And the ever-popular high-performance, modern classics and modified cars. So, how do you buy cars from Japanese auctions? Let us take you through our easy step-by-step guide. First, explain which car you are looking for in detail. It is always a good idea to check the import rules of your country. Provide the year, manufacturer, model and maximum mileage. The price always depends on the condition, year, model, mileage and any extra options such as color, trim or aftermarket parts. Based on your requirements, we will provide an estimate using current market prices, including car costs, fees and shipping. We will also check your country's import procedure, eligibility and for any additional certification. If you are ready to buy, set up a free account by sending your contact details. This is necessary for the invoice and shipping documents. Connect to our WhatsApp account and you will receive auction access. Full access to all Japanese auctions and dealers. Send a deposit based on vehicle value. This is a refundable deposit that can be used for unlimited bids. Have peace of mind and request our details before sending any payment. We have been a member of the Japan Used Motor Vehicle Exporters Association since 1994. You can also see our TV work with the BBC for Top Gear, Series 25 Episode 3 and with the Discovery Channel for Wheeler Dealers, Trading Up Season 1 Episode 4 Japan. Search for cars using the amazing new Ninja auction system and also receive our recommended cars that match your requirements. Request more information about cars and receive panoramic views before auction. Multifunctional 360-degree interior camera. Undercarriage camera with high-resolution zoom-in function. Wheels and brakes camera with high-resolution zoom-in function. We will provide a detailed translation of Japanese auction sheets into English. Inspection of the car with multiple photos and a video sent directly to your phone. If the vehicle meets your expectations, we can go ahead and bid on the car. After a successful bid, an invoice will be issued for the balance for the car, fee and shipping. Once the payment is verified, your vehicle will be booked for shipping to your preferred destination. Booking confirmation will be sent by email. You can track the ship's progress online. Documents will be sent via DHL and the tracking number by email. These include the export certificate, bill of lading, invoice, marine insurance, inspection certificate, and any spare keys, service history and manuals. Please contact us on WhatsApp or via email. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram.